need some more wireless headphones. I'm just so sick of losing my headphones. So y'all, I'm debating on if I want to go to 5 and Below to find some cheap wireless headphones, because I am so sick and tired of ordering headphones from Amazon and losing them. I went through, like, within this past year, I went through like maybe, I need gas, y'all. I might wait. I'm going to like 2 stores and then I'm coming home, and then my husband will get gas for me. So y'all, within the last past year, I have lost like so many freaking headphones. I know at least 4 sets, and it's ridiculous. It makes no sense at this point, and I'm tired of spending like so much money on headphones from Amazon. So I kind of wanted to go to 5 and Below and find some little cheapies, because I just can't seem to keep up with them, y'all. Like, I have 1 set left, but I only have 1. I don't know where the other one is. And hubby is like, this is ridiculous. Like, you have to learn how to keep up with those damn headphones. And I just keep losing them, y'all. So that's why I don't buy like really expensive ones. That's exactly why, because I can't keep up. I can't, y'all. So we have a Home Goods, and I think I told y'all this in another vlog, but we have a Home Goods coming, y'all, and they are coming like right beside Ross. Okay, they coming for Ross. But listen, I will forever be a Ross girl, okay, through and through. I love me some Ross. I love Home Goods, but I love Ross too, equally, honey. But yeah, they're coming right beside Ross. I'm gonna show y'all once we get up here. So I'm excited. I'm really excited, because right now the closest Home Goods is probably about, I guess, 15-20 minutes away. This one is like 2 minutes away. Well, maybe 3 minutes away, literally. Alright, y'all, so we have Barnes and Noble. Ross is like over there, and then Home Goods is going right there. And I'm just, y'all, these are cute. These metallic boots. Y'all know metallic is all the rage right now. Those are super cute. These are cute too. They have those new pumps. Those are cute. What else do they have? Oh, these are cute. They're really cute. Those are cute. For some reason, why I always come to the shoe section first. It's a must. They don't have anything, but I always come over here first, just to see. But yeah, those are real cute. How much? See how much they want for them. Oh, that's not bad. $32.99. Not bad at all. Real cute, y'all. These are definitely on trend right now. Okay, y'all, so I really couldn't find anything, but I did run across these pants. These do not fit at all. They are supposed to be a size 12. No, but they are so cute. Super cute. But I can't fit them. Now, I was thinking about these, okay? I picked them up in a size 12 and a size 10. And both fit really good. I just don't like the way they look in the crouch. Like, it just doesn't look right in the crouch area. But I love how they are cut at the bottom. And then I love the tie. But yeah, y'all, it's just not giving. I'm almost tempted though to get them, but no, they fit. I don't like the way they fit, so I think I'll leave them behind. But that's it, y'all. I can't find anything in here, so it's not meant to be at all. So I guess I'll head on to my next destination. Y'all, I am going to Walmart. Oh my gosh, I don't want to go to Walmart, but I don't have any other choice. I have to go to Walmart because I need Dennis need a toothbrush and some shaving cream, and I'm thinking about some sweet stuff I can eat. So I want to go to Walmart and get me some enlightened ice cream, butter pecan ice cream. That's what I'm thinking about. What else do I need from Walmart? Oh, and I need the Johnson & Johnson or either the Equate brand baby gel oil, because that seems like the only thing that works on my skin. I might get that, and I also might get the Johnson & Johnson. Is it by Johnson & Johnson? But the cocoa butter lotion, I just saw Glam Twins talk about that. All right, y'all, so I'm heading on to Walmart. I was trying to avoid going to Walmart, but at this point I don't have any other choice because Walmart is definitely the answer to what I need to get. So I could have went to Target, but y'all, I went past Target's parking lot, and yeah, it is packed in there. I was like, I just can't, not for a couple things. All I need is some mouthwash for myself. Dennis needs a new toothbrush. He also needs shaving cream. I need the Johnson & Johnson or either the Equate body oil, or what is it called, the oil gel. Y'all, I gotta go get gas. I think I'm going to stop up here. Let me get over, because I'm gonna stop up here by Wawa and get some gas. Oh, sorry y'all, the lighting is horrible. It is so hard trying to get these settings right, y'all. There we go. I'm gonna stop up here and get gas, and then go to Walmart. Then that way I can go straight home. And my husband normally pumps gas for me, y'all. Like, I never have to pump gas. Oh darn, can I even? No, because I'm gonna have to make a U-turn. Yeah, I ain't finna be doing that. Let me drive. I may go to another gas station, because if I go, Wawa is across the street. So if I go to Wawa, I'm gonna have to make a U-turn, and we ain't doing that. We just gonna keep down this way and find a gas station, pump some gas, then we'll go to Walmart. But I was saying that my husband normally pumps my gas. Y'all, I don't even know what side. What side is my thing on? My tank. Oh no, it's on the other side. Girl, it's on the. Girl, it's on the other side. I don't like this. Pumping gas is just not it. It's just not it. It's not what it's all about. I guess it is if your ass don't want to be stuck, right? But I just hate pumping gas. I really do. I hate touching the nozzle and everything. I don't like it. I don't like it. Ooh, I'm close. I don't like it. All right. Let me get out here and pump this damn gas. Y'all, I love my wallet. My niece gave me this wallet for my birthday. I love it. And every time I pull it out somewhere, I get tons of compliments on this wallet. Love it. Loving it. I'm not gonna pump a whole lot of gas. I'm gonna pump enough to I'm gonna pump a little bit. I'm not pumping a lot. Where are my keys? I gotta take my keys with me, y'all, because my doors, first, like when I get out of the car and I leave my keys in here, the car will beep letting me know that I left my fob in here. But then if you don't get the fob within like 5 minutes, well, no, 3 minutes, more like 3 seconds, it locks the door. So I have to take my keys with me. All right, so let's pump this damn gas. Woo. Y'all, I only pumped $15, okay? Because number one, yeah, it's cold out there. So look, y'all, I'm at home, obviously. Y'all hear my shower going in the background because I'm about to get in this shower, y'all. And I'm going to scrub my body and warm up because it's so cold outside. I'm like, I'm getting in the shower. And Hubby was like, again? I was like, yeah. So I'm going to get in the shower again, y'all. I came back because I cannot wait to use this. Oh my gosh. I've never seen this before. I've never seen this. I always get the Nivea in the blue bottle, but I've never seen cocoa butter. Y'all, I am so excited to just like rub this all over my body. Y'all know that Nivea is the plug. Like if you have really, really dry skin, it says it's supposed to deliver a 48-hour moisture. Y'all, and I'm going to mix it in with this. And I just got the Equate brand. Alright, I've used this several times before and it works just like the Johnson & Johnson. So I'm really excited about this combo. So, yeah. So then, also too, y'all, I went back and I put that scope back and I got the Equate. This is comparable to the scope that I showed y'all in the cart. Yup, and this was $2 cheaper. So this is the Equate alcohol-free multi-action antiseptic or rinse. Alright? Yeah. This was $3.27 and the other was like $6.27. So yeah, I went back and got this. And then y'all saw everything else that I picked up. But anywho, oh, and I didn't get to go to Dollar General. And I'm sorry, y'all. I know it's y'all get my shower. But I did not get to go to Dollar Tree. Not Dollar General, Dollar Tree. Because these wipes, y'all, I have to go tomorrow and stock up on these wipes. When I tell you they are so freaking good. They are so freaking juicy. I mean, they are everything. They look like this. And this one is the mango. And they are so juicy. Y'all, I love, like, I normally go in to remove my makeup first with this. And a little bit of, well, no, I haven't even been using this. I was going to show y'all the micellar water, but I'm not using that. But I've been using these wipes right here to go in just to remove my makeup. And then go in with everything else. And y'all, these are the plug. I love these. And they also smell really, really good. They smell amazing. I'm going to go and get a lot of these. I'm going to get like maybe 10 packs when I go tomorrow. I'm going to rack up. And then also, I think I'm going to come back, y'all, once I get out of the shower. Because I have some Goodwill stuff to show y'all. Some bomb Goodwill stuff. Some bomb Goodwill stuff. It's some Goodwill stuff that I found. And then some Goodwill stuff that my mom found for me. Y'all, I really want to share this Goodwill haul. So I think we might do that once I get out the shower. And then I'll eat and edit. Because I do need to edit a video to go up tomorrow morning.